She's black. But we got some fixing to do. Look at that run. Insert swear words. So we'll sand those down and then we'll shoot it with black paint. This is epoxy primer. But interior is ready for paint pretty much. Boom. Just started knocking down that run on the dash with some 320. It's coming down real fast, real easy. See how the high spot you could cutting down? So this is gonna knock down real easy. We went through the primer, but that's okay. This is all going black anyway. We just want to get rid of that ugly run that you're gonna be looking at the whole time you're driving, and we'll even freshen up some of the orange peel, and then we'll shoot it black and it's gonna look awesome. All right, she's all prepped and ready for the paint. Scuffed up, finished. Looks like most of the orange peel is gone, and pretty much all of the runs are gone. This thing is gonna turn out so much better than I was thinking. Just goes to show, the more you pay attention and prep, the better the outcome. Just a little before and after. We're prepped, we're wiped down, degreased, we're ready for paint. We're gonna shoot this thing, and she's gonna be gloss black and looking sharp. Okay, all the masking tape's off. It's nice and gloss black all over the dash, down under, entering in. The whole roof's black. We're gonna have a headliner up in there, but for now, until we do, make it look good. Turned out really, really good. Comment below, let me know what you think. Would you believe this is a rattle can? The right preparation, and rattle can for the win. What are we doing today, boys?
Painting the outside, hopefully.
Painting the outside, beating some dents, sanding it all down. Coop, what are you doing?
Texting his girlfriend.
Uh-oh. Boyfriends. Got all the stuff stripped off, and we are going to get to sanding. Inside's looking good. Outside is about to look good. We got all the good help.
How's it going over here?
Boys, what do you think? Mid.
Mid? Why mid? Cooper's our Eeyore again. He's actually in good spirits. What do you think, Reb? It's gonna get painted.
Can't breathe?
Yeah, it's hard to breathe in here. I can't tell where it's sanded or not. I'm just like sanding everywhere like 4 times probably.
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
We got Grandpa over here. What's he doing?
Question.
What are you up to, Rick?
Hi there.
What are you up to?
Oh, trying to take my frustrations out on this poor bug,
How's it coming?
but it's winning.
Oh no.
It seems like if I could get inside and work out, it would work better than outside working in, but I won't fit.
You won't fit?
So I'm have to be creative here. But it looks better than it did before.
Sure does. This looks really good.
It's coming along. The boys really got it moving. Yeah, they changed that tons. We should have taken a picture of that.
Yeah, beforehand. I'm sure it's somewhere.
Yeah, it probably is. Well, back at it.
Back at it.
This works really good. See how folded it is? This is
silicone, so you might have to like get some of it off first, and then come in here and just use your thumb and rub until the brown part starts to come off. Try not to tear this up too much, but that's what you're going to use with this, and it'll get up in here too. I've already gone up in here a little bit, but you can get all the places with this. Okay? Yep. Okay. And back.
This guy. He's definitely on the hardly working crew.
What?
I said this guy's on the hardly working crew, and you guys are on the working hard crew.
I'd hold it with one hand if I could.
Break time. We brought food. I brought snacks.
Thank you.
Let's just put baby doll.
Hey Cooper, it's time to eat. I'll bring out the big boy drinks.
What's up? Taya, you made perfect sandwiches.
Mom helped. I can't take all the credit.
These are amazing.
You did good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You make them as good as Grandma.
We learned from Dad, who probably learned from Grandma.
Yeah, I'm going inside.
Gonna look good.
Oh, man, that's good.
Let's do 30.
Wow.
Not good? It's
Well,
awesome,
30.
huh?
You're welcome. Good job.
Attaboy. Are you second thinking your bug purchase, Dad?
Let's see how a rim takes care of it. I'm impressed how much you guys have got done on it.